Pollution impact potential maps are maps used to identify areas at the highest risk of nutrient loss, such as nitrogen and phosphorus, from agricultural land into water bodies. Nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus behave differently in the landscape. Nitrogen risk is higher in areas with freely draining soils and groundwater pathways, where phosphorus risk is higher in areas with poorly draining soils and surface runoff. PIP maps are created using data on farm management, for example livestock and crops, soil type and drainage, and hydrogeology and flow pathways. After logging into the Nutrient Management Plan database and selecting a particular farmer, click on the map viewer in the top right-hand corner. This brings up the map with the farmer's parcels outlined. Then, to make viewing the map easier, scroll down and in the bottom left-hand corner, click on the OSI ortho layer. To make the map even easier to view, you go to the top right-hand corner and click on the layer control and go to the label layer section and turn off the organic matter layer. Along with this, scrolling down to the custom layers and turning off the max 220 stock and rate layer leaves the map even easier to see. Once we have those layers turned off, we can start looking at the pollution impact potential PIP map layers. These PIP map layers are all located under the custom layers section. Firstly, we will start off by looking at the pollution impact potential for nitrogen, which is labeled pollution impact potential nitrates. Clicking on this layer highlights the map in different colors of purple, while also giving you a legend. As you can see, the colors are kind of difficult to see on the map, so at this stage it is useful to click the three dots and click increase opacity, which makes the map and the colors on the map easier to see. The darker the color, the higher the risk of nitrogen being lost from the land into water bodies. And from the legend, this is clear. PIP rank 1 has high risk, whereas PIP rank 7 has low risk. From looking at the parcels highlighted on this farm, it is clear that there is a low risk of nitrogen being lost off this farm. Before moving on, it is important to turn off previous layers. Next, we are going to look at pollution impact potential maps for phosphorus. Again, this is highlighted on the map with different colors of blue and yellow. It is clear that this parcel has a low risk. This parcel up here has a moderate risk, whereas this small parcel in here has a very high risk. Other important features in Nutrient Management Plan's PIP maps are the flow delivery paths and flow delivery points. The flow delivery paths can be turned on by clicking PIP P flow delivery paths. These paths represent the overland flow pathways in the landscape. As you can see, these are quite difficult to see. Again, we can increase opacity, making them easier to see on the map. Along with this, we have a legend, which highlights if the paths are medium, high, or very high. The very high paths have the highest surface runoff. Following on from this, we can turn on the PIP P flow delivery points, and these points mark where the delivery paths enter a watercourse. These points also appear with a legend. The size and colour of the point indicate the volume of flow delivered to the watercourse. These features on the PIP map highlight the best places to put pathway interception measures such as riparian buffer zones or ditches. We are now going to look at how to create a water package for a client. The water package available on NMP enables advisors to give the client a summary of all this information for their farm, making it applicable to each client at farm level. To do this, click Create Report Packs on the top left-hand corner. In the Report Pack drop-down, click Water Quality. This autofills all the other options, however, these can be changed if needed. You then click Preview Report Pack Pages. This will automatically create pages that includes all the client's parcels. These pages can be edited in terms of scale and layout. The pages can also be positioned, allowing you to make the pages larger or smaller. This is useful if you are focusing on a particular area with a client. You can also add a page by clicking Add Page, moving the cursor to the location where you want the page, and clicking to get the page inserted. Once you are happy with the size of the page, click the tick on the right hand side to confirm. And this adds the third page to this farm, as the second page is already automatically inserted around the parcels for the client's outblock. When you are happy with the pages that you have selected, scroll up and click Print Report Pack. Then scroll down to Print Jobs, and here you will see the water quality pack loading. This may take a few minutes. Once it has loaded, the package will appear in a PDF format, which you can click to open up the water package. Here we have the water package, which firstly highlights the plot location and water quality status. It is clear that the water body here is in good status. Secondly, it goes through the pollution impact potential for nitrogen. It then goes on to go through the pollution impact potential for phosphorus, highlighting the delivery pathways and delivery points. Again, going through the plot location and water quality status of the outfarm. And again, the PIP map for nitrogen and the PIP map for phosphorus. A prime example of PIP maps correlating with an on-farm incident is a flooding that occurred in the Ballycanoe catchment, which is part of the Agricultural Catchments Programme. As you can see, the flooding resulted in the rivers bursting its bank, submerging parts of the field underwater, transporting nutrients into the watercourse. The delivery paths and delivery points of the flooding correlate directly with delivery paths and delivery points on the PIP maps for this particular area. This highlights the importance of clients being aware of their PIP maps. For any queries regarding NMP's pollution impact potential maps and the water package available, please do not hesitate to contact the NMP help desk. Thank you.